Well, I just got done soldering brazing with this aluminum weld rod from Harbor Freight. I've been messing with this thing for a while. I will suggest to strip everything off of it. And I know it's not pretty, but it looks like it's solid all the way around. It's better than the weld. I paid $210 to have a guy weld it at a fab shop, and it still leaked. I went to Harbor Freight, bought this for $18, but I will suggest to buy the propane torch, the welding torch. So I did have the one, you know, you can get at Walmart or any harbor or hardware store. I do not recommend this one. This one just don't get hot enough. So this is the one right here. It comes with a neat little stand. You can put it on this bottle or those green bottles, you know, like I've got here on my grill. It does get quite hot. And it's got a, you know, pretty good size head on it. It's got those little ports there to draw in air to make it hotter. The wind is blowing here in Arizona today, and I couldn't do it in the wind. I do not recommend doing it outside and in the wind. I had to take it inside my camper today. But it seems to do the trick. I will give y'all an update of whether it's leaking or not. I'm gonna let it cool, put it all back together, wire it back up, throw it in the camper. Well, I may not even wire it up. I may just throw it in the camper first and hook the water to it, make sure it's not leaking before I do anything else.